In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a login page in a Wix website in 2025. This is perfect if you want users to sign up, log in, and access members-only content on your site using Wix's built-in tools. You don't need any coding for this, and everything can be done directly inside Wix Studio. If you're building a business site, a community site, or even a simple personal website, this feature is extremely useful. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Wix account. From your dashboard, go to Wix Studio and open the website where you want to add the login page. This can be a brand new site or an existing one. Once the editor loads, make sure you're in the main editing view so you can add new elements to your site. Now, look at the left-hand side menu in Wix Studio. Click on the Add button. This is where Wix keeps all the elements you can add to your website. When the Add menu opens, scroll down and find the Community section. Wix organizes member-related features inside this area, so this is where login and sign-up features live. Next, click on Community and then look for Members area. This is a powerful Wix feature that automatically creates login, sign-up, and member profile pages for your website. Once you click on Members area, Wix will prompt you to add it to your site. Go ahead and confirm. Wix will now automatically add several pages, including a login page, sign-up page, and a member account page. After the members area is added, you'll notice a login bar appear on your site, usually in the header section. This login bar allows users to log in, sign up, or log out. Click on the login bar and choose the Edit option. From here, you can customize how it looks, including the layout, text, buttons, and design style, so it matches your website branding. Now, let's talk about customizing the login page itself. In the Pages panel, you'll see new pages created by Wix for members. Click on the login page. You can now edit this page just like any other Wix page. You can change the background, add text, images, or instructions, and even explain why users should sign up or log in. You can also customize the sign-up form fields. Wix allows you to control what information users need to enter when they create an account, such as name, email, and password. This is useful if you want to keep registration simple or collect more details from your members. Once you're happy with the design and settings, make sure to save your changes. Then click Publish to make your login page live. After publishing, visit your website as a user and test the login and sign-up process to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created a login page in your Wix website using Wix Studio in 2025. This is one of the easiest ways to add member functionality without using any external tools or code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.